about to do a Mopar thing. He about to do a Mopar thing. Hour late to a meet that I'm about to go to, but we're waiting for Berto and his Camaro. If y'all haven't seen that, it's my last upload where I raced him. He's really slow. It's a V6, but makes sense. All right, catch y'all in a minute when I get there. So the boy pulled up in his Camaro. Y'all know him. Oh, it has an intercooler. Oh my God. Hey, yo, it's boosted.
V6. Oh, wait, what?
It is a V6, but it's boosted. Carbon fiber hood, wide body, duck lip. Dude, this thing probably goes. Woo. Got on the 275 with the blower. Oh my God. Black cat, boy. It's a black cat. So the Honda had the hood popped. Want to guess what he has? He doesn't even have a cold air intake. Oh my God. Oh my God. That they're playing RC cars. Got a blue wide body scat pack, man. This looks nice. Got this old Shelby GT. Oh no, never mind. It's a 3.7. Walk away. We have this Lexus. I don't know what kind. It's on stock wheels, cold air intake, no hood for weight reduction, of course, even though you already weigh like 2,000 pounds. But, oh, look at this disgusting car.
Gross.
So we have this one in a lovely light. We have a 5.4 centimeter. Gotta look all the way around. Big chassis mounted wing. Oh my God. The exhaust coming out. Oh my God. Hey, I don't know if that was his car, so I stopped because I want to talk crap about it. Disgusting car, though. We have this IS 300. Shut up. So anyways, we got this IS 300. I almost got this. This has a 2JZ. We have this Coyote. Someone left their trash right there. No, that's messed up.
We're going to call out Toy Story maybe?
Oh, Toy Story. But look at this guy. This is a nice Coyote. Oh, look at those tires. We have this Chrysler 300. This color is beautiful. It really pops out. It is nice. I don't know if it's a 5.7 or a 6.4. It looks like a... he's on upgraded brakes. I don't know what it is, but... Oh, it's a 392. Okay, that's sick. Okay. So we have this...
Senpai Squad?
Wait. Where does it say that? Team Scion. Where does it say Senpai Squad? Where'd you read that?
On the other cover next to it.
We have the... that looks like fake carbon fiber. But... Okay, you know what? I don't really like. I love anime and I like cars. I don't really think they should mix, but we have this nice little beautiful M3 right here. Old M3. I don't know what generation it is, so don't quote me. Looks like something in the 90s, though. I don't know.
You're seeing half of the piece.
Wait,
inside.
so I avoided talking crap because there was people walking by, but we have cosmic dreams. I don't know. Look at this exhaust pipe. We have, that sad boy stuff, his girlfriend probably broke. Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's disgusting. This is something Alberto would do to his mom.
Yeah.
Look at all that. Yeah, what does that say? He's two-stepping it. I gotta see it. Excuse me. Give it one more two-step. I missed it. Oh wait, one more time. He's going again. IS 300. Jesus Christ. We have this guy. This is exactly what you don't do to a Mopar right here. Alright, he's in there. He thinks he's cool. He's not. He's not. What is that guy? I need assistant deceased order. What the heck? Yeah, this guy leaving. 392 him. Now this is a clean build right here. He's on tires. Okay, and now he does stuff for the camera. That's what you do. Don't be like that other Mopar. Be like this guy. Got this wide body scat right here. Let's see what he does. Can I get a rev? Can I rev? No rev. No. Maybe little rev, baby rev. Come on, promote the stupidity. Come on. What about you? Can I get a rev? I'm gonna get copyrighted. Dang. Maybe the YouTubers can't understand Spanish. Do you think the people can understand Spanish?
Yeah, I can't. I can't.
So there was a Durango, and I wasn't filming, and I was talking like if I was filming. So we're trying to find like the exit point, so when we can catch them leave and catch the stupidity.
The exit is over there.
Oh,
the
okay.
Durango's still at the light though.
This one. Nice. Trying to catch these boys living. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do. Catch people in the stupidity. I don't like the stupidity. I just promote it. Come on, give me some. What I tell you? You put a camera in people's faces and they're compelled to do it. They have to do it. Oh, go, go! Okay. Look at these cameras telling them not to rev because it's a permission spot. Man, ruining my video. Out here ruining my video.
Would be a fact sheet.
It would be funny if you like just revved it right now.
Would be a fact sheet.
Screen rev it. Do it. No. Hey, I appreciate you, IS300. I love you. I'll give you a kiss if yeah.
It's pretty gay, bro.
Might be hard to hear me with the AC card. Like a boosted one. Get out my way. Parking school 101. I like it. Oh my God, I smell marijuana. All right. So I'm out here. I gotta get the footage for the boys. You put a camera. These people. This was the guy that was redlining earlier. It sounded terrible, but hands down, that he's gonna do something stupid. Let's go. Let's go. I tell you, it works every time. Put a camera in their face.
Oh shit!
Whoa! Okay. Well, what's going on here? Oh, wow. What parent let the kid brought the RC car this? Why can't I see? Mopar. We got this Mopar. Let's go. Oh, he did a Mopar thing. So the dude with the cat, the hellcat, is smoking marijuana right before he drives a 707 horsepower car. Is that safe? Is that safe, cat? No, yes. It's not. Yes. No, it's not. So I'm out here, not the truck, but if the truck wants to send it, he can send it. Oh! That was a crappy footage. Oh, the dude's just going over there. He's not. Where did he go? There was. Oh no! Oh, you loser! We're out here promoting the stupidity. Send it, man. I know you can do it. I know you have it in your heart. You got it. Yo, you're taking up the line, boy. Oh, is he gonna go? That was weak. That was the weakest thing I've seen all day. Pizza Planet! I hate myself. We're out here to promote the stupidity. Let's see how this boy whips it. He has a Hello Kitty. Oh no, that's a ghost badge. I thought that was Hello Kitty. Would have been fun. Oh, whoa, whoa. See, you just put a camera in front of their face. It's crazy. They're like monkeys.
Did he even look at you?
What? Right here, promoting the stupidity. I love it. So they're gonna come back, swing it. Let's see. I know that dude with the underglow is definitely gonna do something crazy. If he has underglow, he's gonna do something crazy.
Yeah.
My job is to point the camera. Woo. All right, so it is a V6. Well, let's see what this V6 can do. Stickers. He's like you. You know, every sticker adds 25 horsepower.
Fuck yeah, bro. I know, freak yeah.
Dude, how are you gonna still put it in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Muscle. Muscle. He did a Mopar thing. Let's see what this man do. Let's see what he got. Okay, nothing. He got nothing. Let's see what this dude got. I mean, well, I don't expect anything less. Oh my God, the waifu car! The waifu car! Oh, the waifu car! Go! Go! Oh my God! Oh, yeah!
I like the bullet.
Oh, he spit flames. Man, those Hondas were like a whole row of terrible. Yeah, like I had to redeem myself. I didn't do any smoke. Still did it. Like, get out of here, dude. Okay, we have this Mustang 5.0. I actually lost the race of this. Y'all see that soon. Probably in this video. I don't know where to put it. Let's see what he does. I did not lose to him because that was a V6. Well, see what this man does. Send it! Woo!
Look, it's the car.
Oh, now he does it? Now you do it? Now I can't have. We have this BRZ. Oh my God. Oh my God. What'd he do? Let's see what he does. What'd he do? Okay. He's out here. Unparalleled. No competition. No competition. It's okay. You know my mom is Durango. Who beat that?
I need the queen.
We have this beautiful 392 Chrysler. What is he gonna do? I actually don't know if that's a 392. Definitely was not a 392. He must have been lying. Whoa. I had to tell him to put his car right here because how are we supposed to be a car crew if he doesn't park next to me? That doesn't make any sense. So we have this dude right here, and nah. He wants to know if I would have to disagree. Gotta catch the stupidity. Out here. They were kind of mad at him for blocking. Boy's gonna zoom it. Oh, you need a Mopar thing. This is what happens when you invite the south side and the north side.
What? That's our friend Lucky's dude.
Oh, that's Stunt. So we got the cat heading out. Woo. Boy and the cat. I promote the stupidity. I want you to do something stupid. Come on, you have 707 horsepower. Let's go. Oh, he's about to do a Mopar thing. Yeah. Oh! He did a Mopar thing! I got that on video!